Welcome to Nourished, a series where we make one meal, one drink, and we have one conversation. I'm Shanika. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome. And if you're not new here, welcome back. All right, so today we are going to be making a dish that is very, very dear to my Southern heart, and that is the Southern Peach Cobbler. And we will be talking about a few lessons that God has been teaching me throughout the years. And so, unfortunately, no drink because we don't need it because we have scoops of ice cream, as you know a true Southerner could only do. All right, so let's get baking, guys.
I remember when it felt like time stood still. When I knew in the moment I found my forever. You captured my soul like you've known me for years. Back when love was a whisper. And I promise you always.
Promise me you'll always lift me up in your arms.
Up on your wings where I'll soar.
Promise me you'll always lift me up in your arms.
Now and forevermore. Just as the sky is blue, just as your blood runs red, my love for you stands true. Please let me take your hand.
Lift me up in your arms.
Where only our love could keep us from falling.
Lift me up in your arms.
Now and forevermore.
So in love with you.
And I'll always be forever. Those seasons change, my love remains. So in love with you, and I'll always be
Forever.
those seasons change, then now forever. There's no doubt that life's worth living now that I'm with you. My heart is open wide, just think of all that we could do. Can we take this love a little higher? Let me make your load a little lighter. My love,
Promise me forever I love.
forever I love you. I love you.
I'll always be forever.
Those seasons change. My love remains. I'm so in love with you. It's me and you. Forever and ever. My love remains. Forever and ever. I'll always be forever. I love you.
Now forever.
It won't change.
Now forever.
Yes, I do. I love you. Take your keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really